Good morning, students. So now you all are back to studies, and I hope you all are fine and comfortable with these online studies, isn't it? You all are new students for 9th class. This is very first year that we are interacting with you. 9th, that means totally differ from 8th standard. Now you are grown up and must be very responsible towards your studies. From 9th onwards, you have to do more and more hard work as well as self-studies. Up to 8th standards, teachers can treat you as very younger one. So we help you, each and everything can be given on the blackboard, everything is there. So don't be afraid that in 9th standard, self-study doesn't mean that teachers won't cooperate with you. We are there to help you. But here, you have to do more self-studies. Clear? That is the main thing. Now, as you all know that this year in the 9th standard, government has changed the syllabus. Till last year, we studied the MP board syllabus. From this year, this syllabus is changed to NCERT. The books are available in the market now, so you have to buy books as early as possible, and then we'll go for the lessons also. Today it's our very first class. I'm sure that each of you can't get the books, so today we'll start with grammar portion, that is models, and it will help you in your syllabus also. One more thing, for notebooks you have to buy 200 pages notebooks, one for reader and one for grammar. So from today we are going to start our English classes, and our first topic is models. I think you all are familiar with these models, but still we are repeating that one revision can be done. Now, models. As you know, shall, will, should, would, may, might, can, could, must not, that will say mustn't, ought to, need, dare, have to and used to, all are models. Clear? These words can be used in a single sentence. While sentence formations, we have to pay attention how to use models. Now, these are the general characteristics of model. Number one, models are always used with a main verb. They are never used alone. If you are going to use it alone, the sentence won't be completed. So you have to use it with main verb. Number two, they do not change according to the number or person of the subject. You can use it with singular as well as plurals. No need to change. For example, see, I can. Here I is a singular person. He can. Boys can. Boys are the plurals. Still we have to use boys can, Mohan can, like that. He may, she may, we may, like that. Now the third one, they do not have the infinitive present participle or past participle. Infinitive, to should, to may. No, this is wrong. Models are not used with these infinitive, present participle or past participles. The next one, they cannot be used in all tenses. Be careful. They cannot be used in all tenses. So you have to put attention towards all these things.